I actually feel reborn through this kind of like orgasmic process of you are in a particular spot. I could just felt my whole body just tingle and flood with sensations that I've never felt before. It felt very juicy and my body felt extremely turned on. I was just like in this awe of being like, this is amazing. I want to experience this every day.
You were squirting quite a lot. Is that something you do regularly?
I actually don't do that regularly. It helped that you had knowledge and you took the time to understand my body and to know what turned me on. So I'm really grateful that you really slowed down and was very intuitive. You asked me what was pleasurable, you really listened. She popped all the juice, which was incredible. I've had a few lovers that have been amazing, but nowhere on the scale of your level. Like, you've literally just trumped every guy that I've been with, like by millions, like seriously by millions. And every woman needs to feel this and every man needs to learn this skill.